see, what's neat about this is it doesn't require batteries. It's actually using hydroelectric, which is, you know, the act of the water coming out of the faucet. So it never runs out of juice. It will run forever, technically, until like deposits start forming on it and making an incredible mess. But yeah, no batteries. I love that part. That's probably my favorite part to the whole thing. It never has to be replaced, because all the electric is coming from the water moving the propeller inside. Not bad. I wish more things were like that. God, what a filthy sink. I'm hoping that little adapter works on this, because goddamn am I sick of accidentally buying these without the right adapter. Ah, sweet mother's tits, it does. Wow, that's only shooting out every possible orifice there. God. Okay, what'd I do wrong? A plumber I am not. Doesn't mean I don't try. Okay, that's supposed to be in there like that. I didn't realize that the O-ring actually had a lip on it. And that's because I'm in nearly complete darkness here. Oh yeah, that fits way easier. Oh, it's still shooting out the sides. What the fuck? What the fuck? Why? I don't know. But it's nothing a little Teflon tape won't cure. I'm wondering though, I'm sure it does more than just blue. Let me let it run for a second. Wait a minute. Oh, I believe it's heat enacted. See how it's turning from green to blue there? And it's still pretty cold. I don't know, I get the feeling it's supposed to be changing colors the whole time. Not that blue's a bad color, but... Oh, yeah, see, as it's getting hotter, it's starting to turn more red. Blue is almost completely gone now. Yeah, there we go. Ow! No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, okay, so it is definitely temperature regulated, more or less. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I probably should have put the protective case on this thing. Let's put some cold in there. Oh yeah, instantaneous. Yeah, if you buy that, you definitely want to get it with the adapter listed. Because if it doesn't have an adapter, you're just sitting there with a dumb little metal thing that you can't really attach. I also replaced this little thing. I mean, it wasn't a bad shower head. It was actually pretty decent. But I went for this sci-fi looking ones instead. Similar thing. They change color here and there whenever they feel like it. It's just kind of cool, you know? And slightly War of the Worlds. LEDs, man, they kick ass. Teflon tape. I always hate stuff like this because you'd think that everything would be just fine enough as is. But no, sometimes you have to put little dumb threading type things around. It just seems so ugly to me. I don't even know if I'm doing this right. I'm just winging it. I guess I'll just put it around once or twice. That's good. Break it off there, whatever. Slightly showing. Who cares? Now there's not even a hint that it was ever there. This should work. Oh God, I just blasted myself because I forgot that I didn't have that. Oh God, I'm so stupid. My hair is soaked. Okay, enough of that. Oh yeah, perfect. See that? It's not doing anything bad now. Now it's cool. Yep, just a thin little line of Teflon tape and everything's good. Full blast, nothing happening. Awesome. Damn, except for the fact I'm soaked. Cool. I dig it. Yes. Now the only thing is I gotta put this thing back on, this water purifier thing, which I only use for the fish, really. Let me see. Will that fit on here? Oh my God, look at all this black shit. What the fuck is that? Here. Now it's getting a little bit long and silly, isn't it? That's what she said. Makes me almost want to have a sink with an extended spout on it, because this is getting, like I said, kind of long there. Not a deal breaker yet, but could be at any moment. It's about as tight as I can get with my hand. Yeah, it looks nice, but look how low I have to go to get to the water now. Yeah, could be worse, could be worse. Yeah, I'll see how much that annoys me for a while. If it's too annoying, I'll stop it. Cool. Like and subscribe.